Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Are you hey okay? In your neck of the woods, what up, what up? Manners and respect man, are your girl, Debbie from Donga Yard. Welcome you all to the Jamaican kitchen. Welcome once more. It is the Jamaican cooking journey. If you're so new right on over here, special welcome to you. Thank you so very much for joining the family. Those of you who were there with me from the beginning of the journey, manners and respect. Now, on today's episode of the Jamaican cooking journey, it's a new thing right on over here. You saw on the prior video how we deboned a chicken leg and thigh to bring it to steaks. So on this video, we're going to be showing you a quick, easy seasoning, easy coating, and an easy frying. So the very first thing, whilst we're going to be doing, we're going to be preheating. I Jessie with the thing with the end. So look here, we are going to preheat Jessie. Brown and bushmouth, yeah. So Jessie with it in the comment section. She want it. So we are going to be preheating Jessie. If you have corn oil, use it. If you don't have no corn oil, fine. But if you have corn oil, use the corn oil, and I'll show you why. Me and Kimmy still are run things right here, so we're going to be deep frying, and I think that's good. So we're using some corn oil, and we're going to be preheating our corn oil. Start preheating it on the medium. Now we have these two steaks, leg and thigh steaks, and we're going to be seasoning them. You come from work and you want a little fry fowl or something. Also, this is to show you that you can use the thigh or the leg and thigh or the thigh. I chose to do leg and thigh because I wanted to show you, as I said in the prior video, of just debone the thigh and the leg together. So you can just use a little common sense, make the separation between the leg there and the thigh, and do them separate if you want, if you just want the thigh only. So now what we're going to be doing, we are going to be doing a quick seasoning of these two leg and thigh steaks, and we're going to be coating them in nothing but some yellow cornmeal. That's why I say if you have corn oil, hope to use the corn oil. So look at me here. I have here a little black pepper. I have here some granulated garlic. You could use fresh garlic, but we don't want to burn it. This is some chicken seasoning that you saw me use all the time. All herbs, more like some Italian chicken seasoning. We got here a little salt, and we're not going to use all of that. We've got here 2 eggs. And also, you're learning something right here, which I've said before. When you break your egg and the yolk stays in place, it's fresh. When it doesn't stay in place, you know it's not so fresh. Okay? So we are going to be putting our 2 eggs right onto that. Also, if you want a little spice, you can just put a top. This one is really hot, you know, like any dime you love. So we got our little hot sauce, our eggs, and our seasonings. So you can use your hands, and if you don't want your hands dirty, you can just get a covered container, and you're just going to swirl it around. Swirl it around for a little time, because everything is liquid there. Look at me here. Kimmy, come in on this with them. The steaks are flat and thin. Also, you could remove your skins if you want to. I want my skins on. I like when my skins are fried on my chicken. So you realize that it's in this it's like a mixture. So we are omitting that thing there that we use, that buttermilk. So this is what it's in. So we are going to leave it whilst this oil over here is being preheated. We're going to leave it for about 10 minutes. When we return, we'll be coating it to let you see. Our oil should be heated, as I said before. I'm repeating myself, but that's why I go sometime. So when we return, we'll proceed. So we are back, family, and you want your oil to be like not too hot, not with extra heat, just mild. Okay, and with my hand over here, I think this is fine. As I say, on the medium. We're going to be using or fork or whatever you want. You're going to drip the excess liquid. You're going to do it one piece at a time. And if you want to close the ziplock, you close it. If you want to seal it, you can seal it. You want to go ahead and make sure you coat this properly coated, and you get the idea of what I'm doing. Gonna coat the other one, and when we return, we'll be frying. Okay, now family, we have seasoned and we have dipped, and we coat with cornmeal. We have coated our steaks with our cornmeal. So cornmeal is a little different from flour, so you want to shake all that extra as you go along, and you want to just come right down gently. And as I told you before, you don't want the oil too extra, because you want to fry it for overall about 15 to 20 minutes in order to let the cornmeal be properly cooked. So this is how we are going to be frying it, and we are not going to be covering this pot. Okay, we're going to fry on one side, and when we are ready to turn, we'll return and show you how we are turning, how it looks, and all of that. Okay, now family, I told you we'll be frying on the medium, and that's where we still at. You want to go now for the very first time, gently turn it. You see that crunch that we have in the middle here is not, but on the edge here. So look at me here. This is what we have, and this is what is happening right here, right now. We are frying on the medium. We want to have the crunch and also to have inside properly cooked, and we want the cornmeal also to be cooked. I don't know if the cornmeal not cooked, what will happen. So we're going to finish frying. When we return, we're going to have it all drained on top of a wire wrap with the paper towel underneath, and we will present to you. We're going to cut open piece also to let you see what is happening. Okay? Okay, now family, we are back, and we have our finished fried leg and thigh steaks. The very first thing, the most important thing that you would like to see is the finished look on the inside. Now we have the crust, the crisp, all that outside pretty look. So we are gonna go, and the best place to go is on the right in the middle. You hear that crunch once I cut it? This is the main thing. At the end of it, that's what you want to see. You want to see the inside. Yeah, shoot them up, Kimmy. Shoot them up. This is what you want to see. There you have it. You want to see that it's perfectly done on the end. This is what it will look like once you follow my instructions. The other one is here, and I have demonstrated it. No, I'm not demonstrated. I am can you help me with that word then? I have highlighted it in a sandwich for you, in a chicken sandwich. This is also to show you that you can debone your leg and thigh, and you can also make a chicken sandwich. And this one look like it is the bomb.com. Tell me about it in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe. When you do subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell. We have got our PayPal, we have got Zelle, we have got Cash App, we have got our email. We are on Instagram. Hope you're following me. We'll be going live sooner than later on Instagram. Make sure you're all in. This is the Jamaican cooking journey. Debbie from Dongayard. Bless. No stress. Carry them up, Kimmy. Carry them up. Right on. Right on. No stress.